Oh snap, what up? Welcome to my crib. Cribs. Peep game here. Show you, walk you around the outside of the house. V8, bruh. You got this motherfucking door that don't even open. Piece of shit. Let me take you inside. Where I spend most of my time right here. It's my everyday kind of use living. We got some decorations, got cup holders and shit, fucking storage. We got some more storage, but wait till you see this, bruh. Got the closet here, coat closet, tool storage, skateboard storage, and we got where the magic happens right here. This is the bed. Built this motherfucker myself. We got a couple layers on there, straight solid ass plywood, you know, a couple layers for comfy. We got the decorations going on. We got the flag, la bandera de Colombia, con las firmas de todos los amigos. See, we got the fucking kitchen, portable kitchen, bruh. Ain't got no motherfucking gas, but we got the kitchen, bruh. Cooking up breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything goes in this kitchen. Thanks for checking out my crib. That's it for now. I got some work to do.